Man, you seen that title, you seen the thumbnail, and you know them wings look good. Man, I'm gonna show you guys how to make some hot honey garlic butter wings. They are delicious. You're gonna love this one. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's go ahead and do a quick roll call what we have. So right here we have our chicken. Here in this bowl I have a seasoned blend of a lot of different seasonings like pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, brown sugar, salt, and cayenne pepper. And I'll leave those measurements in the video description below. We have some minced garlic here, some hot sauce, soy sauce, honey, some butter, some olive oil, and we have some chili sauce here. So these are the ingredients. Let's get started. So to get started, we're gonna season our chicken. Start with our olive oil, our soy sauce, our seasoning, and our chili sauce. And we're just gonna get this mixed up in here like this, real good. Just like that, we're gonna cover that up for about an hour to 2 hours, let it sit in the refrigerator, and we're gonna come back and finish the recipe. All right, guys, so we're about 2 hours in. We're gonna remove our saran wrap. That's what we have. I'm gonna give it a quick mix again, just to make sure we got all that goodness over these wings. They smell excellent. So next we're just gonna bring over our baking sheet. Now you can do this however you wanna do it, guys. You can bake them, air fry them, actually fry them if you want to. It's totally up to you. I'm gonna bake mine, especially because I got that nice sauce on it, so I wanna make sure I get the full flavor of that sauce. So we're gonna take a little cooking spray and spray our grates. I would air fry them, but I got so many wings that they're not gonna fit in my air fryer, and then I would have to cook them in 2 batches. And I hate, absolute hate, having to cook wings in 2 batches. Once that first batch ready, I'm ready to eat, guys. We ain't got time for that other stuff. You know what I'm saying? Doing another batch. So we wanna eat them straight out the fryer. So I got 2 many here. So I'm gonna add them to our rack. You kind of want to leave just a little space in between them just so you get that air circulating. Cooks pretty even on all sides. And make sure you got your oven preheated to 400 degrees. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get these in the oven, and we're gonna cook them for 40 to 50 minutes, depending on how hot your oven is and also how you like your wings cooked. I like mine's cooked crispy, so typically I have them in there for about 50 minutes. I'm gonna turn them over midway through the cooking process, around the 25-minute mark, and let them cook for the remainder of the time on the other side. So let's get them in the oven. All right, so we're about 25 minutes in. We're gonna start flipping these babies over and allowing them to cook for the remaining of the time, which for me is another 25 minutes. Man, it already has this kitchen smelling good, son. All right, so we're gonna get them back in the oven for another 25 minutes, and we're gonna come right back. And while they're in the oven, we're gonna start preparing our sauce. All right, so let's start getting our sauce together. Got about 13, 14 minutes left on our wings. Over medium heat, you wanna melt your butter. As your butter starts to melt, add your garlic. And you're gonna let this cook until that fragrance come from that garlic, about 20 to 30 seconds. Then you want to add your hot sauce and your honey. You're going to get this combined quickly. This should take about 30 to 45 seconds to get it all combined and heated through. All right, once it's heated through, I'm going to turn that power off. And I'm gonna sit it aside until our wings are done. All right, guys, we're out of the oven after our second half. Take a look at our wings right there. Take a look at that color on that wing. Yes, yes, colorism does exist when it comes to wings. God, we don't do them light-skinned wings. Gotta have that color on them before we gonna eat them over here. Look at that color. All right, so let's go ahead and put these in a bowl. We get them sauced up so we can go ahead and taste them, dog. Quick recipe, easy, and we're gonna enjoy it. Now we're gonna come behind that with that sauce. Take a look at that. Oh man. All right, let's get these babies in a bowl. We finna head to quality control, baby. Let's go. There you have it, guys. Hot honey butter garlic wings. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Also, the measurements and ingredients will be in the video description below. Let's jump into quality control. It's time to test them out. Y'all ready? Let's go. Guys, let's get right to it, man. I got my favorite one I've been looking at. We're gonna go ahead and test it out. Oh, God. Oh, man. These are instantly in my top 10. Guys, you definitely need to check it out. Until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli, all wings, everything. And remember, not a chef, just cook a lot. Now love me some of them wings. And I'm out. Peace.